Tift Nature Preserve. They made some progress on this thing since I was here last. They built this bridge. That's new. So yeah, let's go inside. Whoa, the geese meese are eating the slime. The geese meese love the slime. I am the geese meese and we love the slime. I love the green slime. Here's a no minute. Num num num. Num num num. Oh, okay. I can hear them like. Even more over here. Munching away. Oh. A leaf fell. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 or 24, 24 or 23 geese. Wow. Bird.
About that tall. It's about a foot of water.
Oh yeah, didn't we see her last?
Turtle. I see you. I'm a turtle. Sitting around on the log. What is moving? Moving around. Peace. Everyone.
There's one right there next to you on the other side.
Busy bee.
He's right at the fence. See if he can go under it. Oh, he can. He's on this side of, he's coming toward us. See it right? He's like stirring the water up. His nose is probably sticking out. See him now? Look at, use your eyeballs. See him, see that thing on top of the water making like a V? It's like right there, about 50 there. He just came up. You see it? See, he made a big...
So,
Probably saw us and now he's up. Here. He's a mammal. He's got to come up for air.
oh yeah.
Okay, that's something. He's like either a little beaver or a muskrat, about this big.
Whoa.
Went under it.
Yes. Creature.
Comes up.
It's a creature. The egret. I see you. He's doing something. Something on your face. Let me see your face. What is this creature?
Didn't even notice it. It blends right in.
Bro is mirroring.
Hmm?
Bro is seeing. He's choking.
Two ears and a heron. Oh my goodness, how exciting. Okay. Let's make sure we're calm and quiet so we don't scare these birds off. Yeah, do you see the blue one on top of the box and the white one down in the marsh? I actually think his front is pointed towards us. So they're a lot grayer on the front. They look more blue down their back, so he's going to blend
Might be
in.
one of those snipe things. I don't know. Walking in the muck right on the edge.
There you go, good as new. I don't know anything about the cake.
It's a cake if you made it.
I did not make the cake.
Nope. Stop it. Give me that. Thank you for that. Can I have another? Lily, give us your next. Great idea. And then it'll get more fun.
While we are all standing here gathered up, do you want your next clue for the mystery party animal?
Yeah.
Alright, I got a back foot and I got a front foot.
Can I see something? I'll you go first. What? So much cat hair. I think I know. I didn't have this first. We're making it snow again.
Guess I'm doing laundry tonight.
Can I see that?
on the end there.
Little deer. Little baby. The baby. I see you. Don't be scared, little boy. Go and run to mama. I'm scared, mommy. The humans watching me. I'm gonna watch you, little boy. Little boy, I see you. I see. I see you, little boy. I see you. Whoa. Okay, little dears. Go catch up with mama, dear. Bye. Yeah, okay. Look at this construction. Wow. Look at the construction. Oops. I wonder. Look at like it's not like above.
What?
It's not like above the ground.
Well, that might be temporary to get use the machines, and then they'll take it out, maybe. Like they might build another boardwalk, but it might be twice as wide, so wheelchairs can go both ways on it.
Yeah. Blah blah blah.
The water's going to come back. It's eventually going to be deep again.
Yeah.
Okay. See if they tore down the other end too, or just...
I don't know. The geese mees. Geese me. Yeah.
Probably going to pour a concrete pad. And then this will be more like a, I don't know.
Okay, dude.
Maybe that is going to be...
What do you think he's saying?
Oh, I saw a big critter.
Look at the machine. Little baby. Bam.
He's too dumb to know that. Better watch out for us people.
Okay, little baby. We need to go over there.
Where are we going? Down this path?
Oh, he sees it. Mud. Oh,
We're going that way too. You can go this way.
I still see you, boy. Oh. No. You got the steel boardwalk.
What keeps it from
Interesting.
sinking in the ground? They must have something on it.
Yeah.
So this was the original path though. It's not coming all the way down?
If I was a creature, I would make my shelter right here. Oh, was it bothering me? But it was like a little shelter made out of the earth. Oh, tree that fell. It would be a good spot to take shelter from the rain or to sleep at night. Whoa, look at this mushroom. And the fungus. If I was a little tiny birdie, I bet you could sit on that. Maybe you could build a nest on it. There's a few other tiny ones over there, up there, farther. And this old dead tree. I wonder what the view is like from up there. Must be pretty nice. Maybe you can see all the way back to the visitor center. I see him, the birdie.
Come here. Stand where I'm standing. I see him. I know he's there. I can see him. His neck's going up.
Where is he? Where's the birdie?
Don't I see him?
I don't know.
I see him.
I don't see him.
You don't see him? Look down that.
Oh, wait, there he is.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah.
Wow, he hasn't moved and, well, maybe he moved a little, but always. He might move that way more and see him better, but he might.
Yes, bird. There's a hawk. Whoa, this is crazy. I wonder if I can get closer. There he is.
there he goes. Red tail, huh?
Hmm. Cool. Okay, guys. So basically, I think I'm gonna end the video here. We saw some cool stuff, especially that falcon at or the hawk at the end. Those deer were kind of cute too. Oh, but yeah. Supposedly this trail isn't supposed to be done until 2026. So yeah, we'll have to check back and see in like a few months if it's done. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Bye, guys.